8th standard. Today we are going to see the continuation of lesson 3, La Journée de Madame Loving. So I'll just tell what we have seen so far in lesson 3. So we have finished our revision for midterm, that is lesson 1 and 2. So revise well and get ready for the midterm. And this is the continuation of lesson 3. So what we have seen so far is French passage and French passage based exercise, that is true or false, contraire, répondez, and timing, quelle heure est-il. This we have seen so far. Adding to this, we have covered few exercises. I'll show you those exercises. We have finished exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 I gave you as homework, and exercise number 3 as well I gave you as homework. So I'll discuss on exercise number 3. So today we will see exercise number 4, 5, 6. Okay, and exercise number 8 I gave you as a homework, and exercise number 9 also I gave you as a homework. These exercises are related to the time which I already taught for you. So kindly, in case if you have not completed, please complete it. So we'll try to finish as much as we can in this time. Okay, so your quarterly exam will approach very soon, so please get ready. Within 1 or 2 weeks you will have your quarterly revision, and then we will do our final revision for quarterly. Okay, so let's start. So let us discuss on mettez le dialogue dans le bon ordre. So I'll just tell put in order, and you guys please listen. So first I'll read it out. Je vais au travail à 8h30. À quelle heure te lèves-tu? C'est tard, non? À quelle heure vas-tu au travail? Moi, je me lève à 7h. Je me lève à 6h et toi? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences are there. And how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 questions and 2 responses are there. So what we have to do now is, first we have to find out the answer for each and every questions. À quelle heure tu te lèves? For this, je me lève à 6h et toi? Moi, je me lève à 7h. Okay? C'est trop tard. À quelle heure vas-tu au travail? Je vais au travail à 8h30. So if you see this, 1 and 3 is matching. Okay? Likewise, à quelle heure tu te lèves? Quelle heure te lèves-tu? So for this, je me lève à 6h is matching. Why? Because see the verb here. This is matching this verb. Okay? And once et toi is asked, et toi is matching moi. Je me lève à 7h. So like this we have to find out the matching. So if you see, 1 and 3 is matching, and 2 and 5 is matching, and 5 and 4 is matching. So I'll show you the answers now. So kindly take it down. Okay, so here are the answers. So I'll read the question once and then I'll give you the answers. Je vais au travail à 8h30. À quelle heure te lèves-tu? C'est trop tard. À quelle heure vas-tu au travail? Moi, je me lève à 7h. Je me lève à 6h et toi? So if you answer this, the answer would be à quelle heure te lèves-tu? That is 1. Je me lève à 6h et toi? This is number 2. Moi, je me lève à 7h. C'est très tard, non? À quelle heure vas-tu au travail? Je vais au travail à 8h30. So this is the response. So what you do is, you just pause this video and you can take down the answers for exercise number 3. So this is put in order, exercise number 3 from lesson 3. Okay, so once you are done with this, just we can continue with the next exercise. So if you see here, à quelle heure te lèves-tu? So lever verb, and lever verb is repeating. So like this we can find. Et toi, the response is moi. So this is matching this one, and et toi is the question matching the answer moi. So tard à quelle heure vas-tu au travail? See, travail is a noun. Noun is matching here, as well as aller verb vas-tu. When you respond, je vais. So like this you can find out the answers. Okay, so hope we are clear with this. Now we'll go for the next exercise. So now we are going to exercise number 4. Identifier en français la saison en Inde qui commence en juillet. So if in case if we have to answer this, we must know months. So let us go and see months and then seasons, and then we'll come here. Okay, so before going to seasons, let us read the questions once. La saison en Inde qui commence en juillet. So what season it is? Okay, les mois après mars. The month after March. What after March? Which month is starting? So you must know the months also. Les jours avant mercredi. So you must also know the days also. So lundi, mardi, mercredi. So we will revise once and then we will come here. Les 2 jours de congé des étudiants élèves. Okay, 2 days of holidays for the students. When it is? 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, right? So we have to answer this. La saison pendant Noël. So in case if it is Christmas, what season it is? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to that page of seasons. So this is the seasons page. So these things we have to revise before answering that. So we'll revise once this. Les jours de la semaine, that is the days of the week. The first day is lundi. Please repeat. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Les mois de l'année, that is the months of the year. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So these things you have learned in 6th and 7th standard. Now we'll go for seasons. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. I repeat, le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. So you hope you know these seasons also. So these things are very basic things that you have started learning French, and you might be knowing these things, right? So we'll continue with the. So I'll just tell you the answers for exercise number 4. So la saison en Inde qui commence en juillet, c'est la mousson. It's a monsoon season. So just have an eye on this. The answers are here and the questions are here. Okay, la saison en Inde qui commence en juillet, c'est la mousson. Okay, you have a pencil and you just take it down. The answer is la mousson. Les mois après mars. So after the month of March is April, avril. So these are general questions. Okay, so this could be easily answered. Les jours avant mercredi, c'est jeudi. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. Sorry, this one is wrong. Les jours avant. See, if it is après, the answer is correct. Since this is avant, we should write lundi, mardi. Avant mercredi means before Wednesday, it is Tuesday. So for Tuesday it is lundi, mardi, M-A-R-D-A. So please don't take this answer. It is mardi. Les jours de congé des étudiants élèves. So samedi, dimanche. This is right one. So that is Saturday and Sunday is the 2 days of holidays. And the 5th one, la saison pendant Noël. That is the season which falls on the the month of Christmas. That is l'hiver. L'hiver means winter season. Noel, winter season. Okay, so please take down the answer and then we will go for the following exercise. So take down the answers and then continue the video. Until then, pause it. Okay, so we have done with exercise number 4. Now we are going to see exercise number 5. Okay, exercise number 5 is les filles s'amusent bien. That is, we have to use this reflexive verb. Okay, ver pronomino, that is called as le ver pronomino. That is what we were saying in this lesson. I am going to teach that and I am going to discuss on these answers. Okay, so kindly have your pencils with you and just follow the class, and at the end of the class I will tell you when to write with your pencil. Okay, les filles dash s'amuser bien. Les filles dash s'amuser bien. So s'amuser is a verb. So this is just like a normal er verb, but one thing we have to be very alert is s'amuser, we have to see the conjugation of a reflexive verb. So already I have shown you the conjugations of reflexive verb. See here, in case it is ILS, see se lève, ENT. So the same way we have to do this. So the first question is SE, les filles, that is feminine plural. SE, se, amuse, AMUSENT is the answer. So like that we have to do by one. Mostly it will be easy. One or two verbs will be little tricky. That is this appelé verb is little tricky. Like that, one or two verbs alone we have to just be alert. Okay, so we'll continue with the second one. Tous les matins il se rase. So this one is very simple. This is like verb pronomino. So il, the verb pronomino will start with se. Rase, we have to hide the r, and what is left out is the answer, saras. Okay, so the following one is elle s'appelle Madame Lapierre. So in this case, why I said it was little tricky is s'appeler verb, when it is conjugated, the single L will become double L. Except nous and vous, other conjugation je, tu, il, elle will be double L, except nous and vous. So for this, the answer would be L, S apostrophe, APP, ELLE. Elle s'appelle Madame Lapierre. Okay, so that is the answer. Once I finish this, I will show you the answers and you can take it down. So until that, just follow the class. Okay, so nous se brosser les cheveux. So nous, the reflexive verb is, again you have to place another nous. Nous brossons. That is, brosser will become brosson, BROSSONS. So we have to hide the ER and you have to add ONS. Nous brossons les cheveux. Okay, fifth one is Frédéric se dépêche comme il est en retard. So Frédéric is third person singular, so se will be coming again. Se dépêche, we have to just hide the R. Rest of the things are same. Okay, tu s'habilles vite. So this one is very simple. ER verb. S'habille is because of vowel. Okay, so you just put S apostrophe and habille with ES. Okay, HABILLES. Tu, sorry, I'm really sorry. Tu te, je me tute. So this will become, see this, when you have a tu, when it is tu, you should use the, and the ending is es. Likewise, here it will be tu te habilles with s. So we'll go for the next one. Je me. Lever verb is also a little tricky. That is, the first E will be a accent grave. That is, the accent will be like this. Okay. So I will show you the answers, no problem, just follow. Okay, je me lève à 6 heures du matin. Quand le professeur arrive, nous se taire. So this one I will show you. Nous taire verb, I will show you the answers. Okay, that will become taisons. Nous taisons. That will be the answer. Jacques et Marie se promenaient dans la forêt. Promener verb, same er verb, already we know er verb conjugation. So Jacques et Marie, two people, so this se will repeat once again. Promener, that will become er will go out and we will add ent. Il se promène. So the last one is mes enfants se couchaient tôt, and the answer would be mes enfants se couchent. That we have to add the er and we have to add ent too. So what I am going to do now is I will show the answer solutions for you. You just listen when I read it once and then you can take it down. So here is the solution. Conjuguer les verbes pronominaux présents de l'indicatif. So I'll read it one by one. Les filles s'amusent bien. Tous les matins, ils se rasent. Elle s'appelle Madame Lapierre. Nous nous brossons les cheveux. Frédéric se dépêche comme il est en retard. Tu t'habilles. So this is what I said, T apostrophe 8. Je me lève à 6 heures du matin. See here, the accent grave is there. Quand le professeur arrive, nous nous taisons. Jacques et Marie se promènent dans les forêts. Mes enfants se couchent tôt. So these are the answers. I'll just zoom it for you. Now what you do is pause the video, take your pencil and write down the answers in your book, and that will be easy for you, and then you can take this in your classwork. Okay, so we'll do one more exercise, that is exercise number 6. So if you're writing, please pause the video and then continue. Now the next exercise is, that is changer au négatif. So negative you know very well, that is before the verb you have to place na and after the verb you have to place pa. In case if it is a adverb, you should use de, and if not you need not use the quantity. Okay, il a 2 stylos. Il n'y a pas 2 stylos. So these answers I'll show you. I'll discuss it first. Ce sont des chats. So before ce, ne, before son you have to use ne. Ce ne sont pas, after son it is pas. Ce ne sont pas des chats. Ils apprennent le hindi. Ils n'apprennent, n apostrophe should come here since it is a vowel. Okay, ils n'apprennent pas le hindi. Elle a 5 crayons. Elle n'a pas, n apostrophe once again since that is a vowel. Elle n'a pas 5 crayons. 1 minute. Yeah, that is right. Elle n'a pas 5 crayons. Nous avons une voiture bleue. So the same thing. Nous n'avons pas, n apostrophe, avons pas une voiture bleue. Okay. So this is how it is. So I'll show you the answers before we discuss. Just one thing, as we have already seen this in 2 more lessons, that is inverted V, na should come front and pa should go to the back side of the verb. Okay, so this we were learning from 7th standard and there is nothing new in this, so no big explanation is needed. Here are the answers. Once I'll read it for you. Il a 2 stylos, so that will become il n'a pas 2 stylos. Il n'a pas 2 stylos. Okay, ce sont des chats. saison des chats. So that will become ce ne sont pas des chats. Okay, ce ne sont pas des chats. That's what I said. Whenever it is a adverb, you should not do any changes to des. Il apprend l'hindi. Il n'apprend pas l'hindi. Elle a 5 crayons. Elle n'a pas 5 crayons. So fifth one is nous avons une voiture bleue. Nous n'avons pas de voiture bleue. So this is very simple. Put ne and pas before and after the verb. So that is damn easy. So hope we can see one more exercise for today. Okay, so in case we are writing, please pause the video and continue writing. After finishing this exercise, that is writing down the answers, what you can do is you can take it in your classwork. Okay, so we'll go for the next exercise. So this is one exercise we are going to see, that is exercise number 10. Other than this, already I have given exercise number 8 and 9 as a homework, so I am not going to discuss on that. And today's online test will be based on any of the exercises which I have taught today. That might be 4 or 5. Mostly I will ask from 5. Okay, 4, 5, 6 and exercise number 10. Why? Because exercise number 10 also falls under the same category, that is few verbs are verb pronominal. So just we are going to conjugate. See, aujourd'hui je me lève à 6 heures. Je me lavais et je me habille. So that is, in case if it is je, you should stop with e, that is er verb. What is the ending for je? First thing is me, and then the second, this verb should be, the ending should be e. This ending, take out the er and add e. This is also e. So most of the things here is only je. So and it is just self-explaining. So we can just add, take out the er and add e. Since it has je, we must start with je me lève à 6 heures. Je me lave et je m'habille. Je bois du café. bois, this is irregular verb. So bois is the conjugation. Et je mange, mange, des tartines. Je sors, sorts, sors, je sors de la maison à 7h30 et je prends, prends. So this is also irregular verb, you must memorize this. Et j'arrive, J'arrive au bureau à 9h. Je travaille, travaille. Okay, jusqu'à 4h du soir. Je rentre. Again, take out the er and just add e. À la maison à 4h30. So this I will show you the solutions, and I want you to try exercise number 11. Quelles sont les 4 saisons? But anyway, I will show you on the next video. So these are general questions. So I want you to try this exercise number 11, and we will see exercise number 12 and 14 and 15 in the next video. Okay, so I will show you the solutions for 11, and we will discuss 14, 15 and number 12 on the following video. Okay, so I'll show you the solutions now. So here is the solution for exercise number 10. So just I'll read it once before you write. Aujourd'hui, je me lève à 6 heures. Je me lave et je m'habille. Je bois du café et je mange des tartines. Je sors de la maison à 7h30. Je prends le métro et j'arrive au bureau à 9h. Je travaille jusqu'à 4h du soir. Je rentre chez moi à 4h30. So here the things which we have to focus is everything, the subject is je. So in case if it is reflexive, the answer should be me, and if it is er ending, the answer should be es. So the ending for je is e, so I have to take out the er and add e. So this 1, 2, 3 verb is er verb, and this verb is not a er verb, this is re, so the conjugation is changed. Manger verb, you know very well. Sortir is again a irregular verb. Prendre is irregular verb. Arriver is a normal er verb, and travailler is a normal er verb, and rentrer is a normal er verb. So just whatever we have learnt in 7th and 6th standard is er endings, es, ons, ez, ent. That is what I have applied here. Nothing, any special changes, no, nothing is done. Since it is reflexive, I have added m. That is the only change. So hope you have understood this, and now you can pause the video and you can take it down. Okay, so hope you are done with exercise number 10. So next class we will see exercise number 11. So in case if you are writing, please pause the video and take down the answers. So in today's class we have seen exercise number 4, exercise number 5, 6 and exercise number 10. So the homework which I have already given was 8 and 9, and today's homework is exercise number 11. So try this general questions and hope you can do that. It's a very easy general question. Anyway, I'll discuss the solutions on the upcoming class, and exercise number 12, 14 and 15 we will see in the upcoming class. Okay, so with this we are completing exercise lesson number 3. So anyway, in the next video we will complete lesson number 3. Now I want you to complete the classwork till exercise number 10. Okay, so that is what I request from my side. So and please do the midterm revision very well and get ready for the exam. And what I suggest you to do is write the question and write the answer for midterm. And if there is any other things, it is very simple. Read the instructions properly, so you will definitely not have any doubt. So as I said before, lesson number 1 and 2 is there for midterm, and 1 and 2 based conjugation is also important. So conjugation alone, the pattern is we will ask lesson 1 or lesson 2 French passage that should be translated, and lesson 1 or 2 conjugations will be given for 20 marks. So learn conjugations and French passage, that alone will become 30, and other exercise will be 20 marks. So I'll try to send the pattern as soon as I can. So in case if you have got the pattern before this, well and good. If not, just have this as a prior information for you. So please then and there finish the French classwork. That is what I request you to do. And lesson 3, out of the topics which I have taught today, any of the one exercise might be exercise number 5 will do online test. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day, and God bless you.